this video, I will show you how to check that your property content meets the minimum requirements. Under the Properties tab, you will find a list of all your properties. Here you will see a quick overview of the status of your listings. If you have a green check, that means that the property content meets our minimum content requirement. We still recommend that you review the property to make sure all the content are added that you want to have on your listings. If you see an orange circle or a gray circle, it means that something is missing for the listings to meet the minimum requirement. You can hover the mouse over the circle to get a quick overview of what is missing. On this property, for example, we are missing prices and availability. And on this listing here at the bottom, we're missing photos and the pixel size of the photos are too small. You can also download a report at the top of the Properties tab. Click on Quality Check and enter in your email, and an Excel file will be sent to your email with an overview of the quality of your listings. Some sales channels will have a higher minimum content requirement than other sales channels. In those cases, your properties may be in the status Ready from the Properties tab, but when you attempt to push the properties to the sales channel, the Activate button may be grayed out. To check this, go to the Services tab, click on the sales channel, and click Property Settings. Here you will see a list of your properties and the status of the connection. If the Activate button is grayed out, it means something is missing for this property to be pushed to the sales channel. Hover over Activate and click on Go, and our system will tell you what is missing. Click on the red button. On this listing, for example, the photos are too small. They need to meet the pixel requirement of this sales channel. And we can also see that we are missing photos. We need to add more photos. Once you've done the changes, you will be able to push the listing to the sales channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video useful.